Welcome to MindMap AI, the smartest way to turn scattered thoughts into brilliant ideas. We are the secret weapon for 400,000 plus professionals and students transforming the way they brainstorm. Ready to elevate your thinking? Sign in here or quickly register a new account. Step inside, and this intuitive workspace opens up just for you. Transform your brainstorming with our interactive AI chat. Simply type a prompt like "plan a birthday party" and watch AI thinking build your structure instantly. Let AI assist your ideas, turning quick thoughts into organized plans and fresh angles. Simply upload your PDFs, videos, or audio files, and watch the AI analyze your content to create a detailed mind map instantly. Take full command of your ideas. Select any specific node and click AI Expand to instantly generate new branches and broaden your perspective. When you need the big picture, use AI Summarize to instantly transform complex maps. Customize every detail with our intuitive style tools. First, define your structure. Switch instantly between a mind map, logic chart, or org chart to fit your needs. Set the tone by changing the background color. Then refine specific nodes with custom shapes and borders. Take full control of your text by adjusting fonts, resizing, or applying bold, italic, and alignment settings. Bring your map to life by adding images from desktop or Pixabay. And finish by embedding special tags and links for a fully interactive experience. Turn ideas into action with the Widget tab. Set priority and track tasks instantly. Highlight key steps with flags and stars, assign people, and manage deadlines with date and time. Keep your workflow organized with custom symbols. Experiment without fear. If you don't love the result, simply hit retry to see a new version instantly. Need to go back? Use undo and redo to navigate your changes effortlessly, giving you total control over your creative process. Transform your workspace instantly. Effortlessly switch between light and dark modes to match your environment and reduce eye strain. Want more flair? Explore our versatile theme library. Switch from default to the sleek Midnight Pro, focused high contrast, or aesthetic pastel soft in one click. From corporate navy to minimalist zen, find the perfect style. Sharing ideas is effortless. Generate a private link for secure collaboration or a public link to showcase your work globally. Take your project anywhere. Download your mind maps as PNG, PDF, or SVG. Discover the power of MindMap AI. From visualizing ideas to boosting productivity, we make organizing thoughts effortless. Whether summarizing books or brainstorming new concepts, elevate your process today. Try it for free at mindmapai.app.